Hi guys, and welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So for today we thought we'd do a product review. We've just purchased the new SATA Jet X5500 RP digital clear coat gun for young James to use during the clear coating, and well, we thought we'd do a review of it. So this is the unboxing part, and then we will be doing a review, carrying on the review whilst using the gun, of course, as well. So here's the box. This is how it turns up. Little close up there. So we'll now unbox it, show you what we get in the box. Okay, so we've got a large and a medium cup and collar for the RPS system. So that's what's in this packaging. There we go. Put that to one side. Put that there. We have the toolkit. That'll be all the bits inside there. We'll show you that in a moment. We have the, I'm guessing, the manual, so you've got that as well in the box. All to do with the guarantee, got that as well, which it comes with a 3-year guarantee from SATA. And then hopefully, in here somewhere, we've got spray gun. Okay. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So we have the gun itself. I'll just give you a close-up of that. Looking very nice. There's the digital section on the bottom, you can probably just about see. Okay, so that's all covered. So what we'll do now, we're going to hand it over to James so you can get it all assembled, and he's got a job to clear coat, so we'll get it over to him. Lovely jubbly. Okay, so we're now going to go through the toolkit very quickly. So in the toolkit we've got a extra little filter, so that's if you're using the hard pots in the top of the gun, that goes in first. So we've got that. We've also got a little tool, so which is the Torx and Allen key tool. You see them on the end here, Torx, and then the Allen key one for doing the adjustments and stripping the gun. So we've got that as well. Another tool for adjusting the fluid tip, taking that off, on and off. Little cleaner for obviously cleaning inside the gun, that as well. And then we have the different coloured little caps, to show you them. So they are to go on the spray gun. If you've got say 2, 3, 4 of the SATA guns, you can clip them on depending on what you're using it for. So you might be using a clear coat gun for putting your colour on, lacquer gun, primer. Obviously you can, it's a quick reference to be able to look at the gun and know which one it is, what you're using it for. So you've got them as well. That's what comes in the toolkit. As we know, we've got the pots. So we've got a large and a small of the hard pots with the tops. Large and small one of them. James has got the gun, so we're leaving the gun with James to set it all up, and we'll have a look at the gun in use, as well as stripping and fitting the gun as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Woohoo! Okay, we're just doing a quick video showing you what comes in the kit. Just with it laid out on the desk. So here you go. So we'll do, there's the box, and the cups and collars. Come down, there's the spray gun. Comes in a lovely satin bronze sort of colour. Matte black cap. Okay, typically the sun's suddenly got a bit bright. And then you've got the different bits and pieces, the tools, the little caps, the coloured caps, the manual, and of course the warranty, which is extended to 3 years if you register it. We've registered ours online, so there we go. Quick view around that. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the channel for more videos, repairs, reviews, much appreciated. And we'll get the gun across to James, and we'll show you it in action as well. Okay, we're in the spray booth with James with the new SATA Jet spray gun. Yep. How are you finding it?
Yeah, it's very good. We've used SATAs for quite a while now, and this is the newest one they're doing, the X-Jet 5500 RP digital. That's the clear coat gun. It's got the digital gauge on the side. It's really easy to use, really easy to set up. Pretty much comes straight out of the box and attach your airline adapter and you're ready to go. You've got your fan adjustment and your needle adjustment, and then your pressure on the back. And yeah, comes with the RPS pots, which are really good as well. Give a really good flow rate to the gun. yeah, so sort of I've had a little play just to set it up, and I'm sort of ready to clear my first job.
Superb.
Give it a go.
And this is a Lexus we've got in. We're just pan across so you can see that. It's just had the side repaired, the base coat all put on. Now ready for James to put the clear coat on with the new gum. Lovely.
Ready to go.
Superb.
There we go. So, good point to mention with the RPS cups. Pull the cap out of the top to allow the airflow for the gun.
Ah, right, okay.
Don't pull that, I won't spray
That's
very
the cap
well.
on the top?
Yeah.
Okay, lovely. Hi guys, thank you for checking out our latest YouTube video. So in this one we've decided to do a little giveaway. Everyone likes a giveaway, something for nothing pretty much. So all you've got to do is like and subscribe to our channel. Like the video, like I say, subscribe to the channel. Once we get 500 or more subscribers to our channel, then we'll pick 2 people at random, and then from all of our subscribers, and them 2 people can pick a hat or one of our caps. They're really nice caps for our Black Stag style, and that's one of them. That's our grey and black one with the white line down the front. They're adjustable on the back, look, so you've got a little adjuster on the back. So either the grey and black or the black and red. You'll be able to take your pick as towards which one you want once we've picked the 2 people at random, and we will send them out to you. So get liking and subscribing. Thanks very much. Right, okay, we're standing in the spray booth with James after he's used the new SATA spray gun that we've got. So what do you think, mate?
Yeah, it's all good, mate. The old SATA Jet 5500 RP. I'm really happy with it. Atomisation is really good and lays down the clear beautifully. It's really easy to strip down and clean out. One thing to mention is with the digital gauge, they're not really suited for gun clean machines. You don't ever want to submerge the digital gauge, because it can go wrong fairly quickly if you do. But yeah, other than that, absolutely spot on. Really happy with it.
Stripping it back down, James, pretty good.
Yeah, nice and easy. Air cap off, nozzle off, needle out. Yeah, it's really easy.
Yeah, no
Hardly any
problems.
tools needed. No.
And the setup as well.
Yeah,
all that
set up spot on. Yeah, like I say, takes a little bit of playing with to sort of suit each individual painter. But yeah, really happy.
So I think we'd take from that, we'd recommend it.
Yeah, highly recommend it.
Much difference from the previous model?
I never used a 4, but I used a 3, and I'd say it is better. It is a slightly better gun, but yeah, definitely worth it for the money, I think.
And I think you can customise them as well. Can't you?
Yeah, they do all sorts of customisations for the guns.
Yeah,
you can get all different patterns. I'm sure they do some limited edition versions as well. So if you're really into it, then
yeah, you can go for that. And I think with SATA as well, they're backup if there's any problems.
Oh yeah. They're really helpful. Like I said, we used to, we still do use the SATA 44s, which are the mini jet guns. We had a small problem with needle packing. We got in contact with SATA, and they got their rep out to us, sorted it out at no charge, and yeah, good to go again. So
can't really ask more than that, can you?
Definitely not.
Right, we'll give it a rating. So on a scale from 1 to 10, where would you? 10 being that's really good.
Yeah.
Where would you say it is?
I'll go 9.5.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
9.5. I'm pretty happy.
That's similar to the rating we give it. Some good cake.
Yeah. Definitely.
That's superb. Thank you, mate. Right. I hope that's helped everybody with the review for the gun. Hi guys, thanks for checking out our latest YouTube video. As you know, this one has been the review of the newest or the latest SATA spray gun. Hopefully you found it. Hopefully found the review useful. Hopefully plenty of information, especially towards whether you may be looking to purchase one of these. Yeah, don't forget, please like and subscribe to our channel. Obviously, most important and useful for us. Also keeps you up to date with any of our new videos that are coming out, whether it be repairs or reviews. Turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching. Much appreciated. See you soon.